Hello, my little angels. How are you doing? I hope you are all well and washing your hands frequently. Children, please be safe and stay indoor. If you are going out, don't forget to wear your mask and maintain social distancing. Okay, children? Today we are going to do numbers. You remember numbers? You know numbers? Okay. So we are going to do today numbers, count and write. So let's revise once 1 to 20. What is this? Which number is this? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So what are these? These are numbers. And today what we are going to learn? We are going to learn count and write. So what we are going to learn today, children? We are going to learn count and write. So who remember count and write numbers? Raise up your hands, those who know. Okay, so clap for yourself who knows count and write. This is the star for my brilliant and attentive children who remember their numbers. Well done. Okay, and those who are not recalling, so we will just once brush up. Okay. So count and write means, children, there will be an object given to you and you have to count that object and you have to write the number. Count means, what do you mean by count? You know what do you mean? What is count? Count means गिनना, गिनती करना, गिनना उन्हें ऑब्जेक्ट्स को. एंड राइट मीन्स लिखना. जो ऑब्जेक्ट्स हैं उनको गिन के उनका जो नंबर है उसको लिखना. वी हैव टू काउंट द ऑब्जेक्ट एंड वी हैव टू राइट द नंबर. ओके. So now how many objects is this? How many circles are there? 1. And how many diamonds? Count. 1, 2. So now we are counting the objects. 1, 2. And then we will write number 2. Okay. So how many circles are there? Count. 1, 2, 3. So now we have counted the objects and now we are going to write. So write number 3. Again, how many smileys are there? Count. Put your fingers. 1, 2, 3, 4. So number 4 is written. So again, next, what is this? This is a triangle. Count triangles. How many triangles are there? Count, children. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then write number 5. Come on. How many circles are there? Count again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we will write 6. Come on again. Count. How many objects are these? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we will going to write 7. We will write 7. Again, now count these objects. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So now what we are going to write? 8. Come on, count this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So what we will write here? 9. Come on, count stars. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So what we will write? We will write 1, 0, 10. So now you will remember. याद रखोगे? याद आया? कैसे करते हैं count and write? How we will do count and write? Okay. First we will count the object. जितना object है we will count it. And then we will write the number. Okay. Now come on children. How many owls are there? Count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So how many owls are there? 5. So what number we will write? We will write number 5. Okay. Now come on, count here. Blue owls. 1. Put your fingers, everyone. Put your fingers. 1, 2, 3, 4. So we will write here number 4. Now count pink owls. 1, 2, 3. So what we are going to write? Which number we are going to write? 3. Come on, count red owls. 1, 2. So which number we are going to write? Number 2. And how many owls are this? This is only one owl. So what we will write? We will write only 1. We will write number 1. So what we are going to write? We are going to write number 1. Okay? You understood everyone? समझ में आया? So now we are going to do some exercise. Okay? Now children, we will count the picture and we will write the number in the box. Okay? You will do with me? Everyone say it loudly. Yes, teacher. Okay? So you are going to do with me? Then I will give you star. Again I will give you star. Okay children? Come on, count. How many flowers are there? Put your finger. Put your finger, everyone. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So how many flowers are there? 6. So what we will write in the box? In the box we will write 6. Okay? Now come here. How many boards are there? Count. 1, 2. How many boards are there? 1, 2. So what you will write in the box? What you will write? You are going to write number 3. No. How many boards are there? 2. So what you will write? Number 2. You will write only 2. Okay. Now count the arrows, children. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So how many arrows are there? There are 8 arrows. How many arrows are there? There are 8 arrows. So we will write 8. Okay. What is this? This is a cycle. Bicycle. So how many cycles are there? Only one. One cycle is there. So what you will write? You will write number 1. Okay, we will write 1 because only one cycle is there. So we will write 1. Come on now children, count feathers. How many feathers are there? Put your finger. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. How many feathers are there? 10. Again one more time we will count. By mistake if we have said one number more or less. So again we will do it. Okay? For rechecking. 1, 2, 3, 4, 7, 8, 9, 10. So how many feathers are there? 10. So what we will write? We will write 1, 0, 10. Okay, children. So this is called count and write. You have to count and then you have to write. Okay. One more time we will do. One more exercise. Okay, one more exercise we will do. Now, I will not say. You have to say. You will tell me. Okay? Chalo. How many fishes are there? Count. Come on, count. Put your finger. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So how many fishes are there? 5. So what we will write in the box? What we are going to write in the box? 4. 4 we will write? We will write 4, children? No. What we will write? How many we have counted? Again count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So what we will write in the box? We will write number 5. Okay? Come on. What are these? These are turtles. Come on, let's count how many turtles are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So how many turtles are there? How many turtles are there, children? 8. Okay. Come on. What is this? My God. What is this? What are lions? So many lions. How lion? What's the sound of lion? You know what's the sound of lion? Lion roars? Yeah. Come on. We will count lions. Be careful while counting lions. Okay? Come on. Count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So how many lions are there? 7. Again, one more time we will count. Come on, put your finger. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So there are how many lions? There are 7 lions. So what we will write? We will write 6. We will write 6? No, because there are 7 lions. So what we will write? 7. We will write 7. Come on, how many birds are there? Count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So how many birds are there, children? There are 10 birds. So 1, 0, 10. So 1, 0, 10. So what we did today? We did count and write. You have to count the object and then you have to write the number. So first we will count the object and then we will write the number. पहले गिनती करना है कितना objects है and then we will write the number. फिर number लिखना है. Okay? One more time we will do. So come on. Count how many pink owls are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So what we will write? We will write number 5. Come on, how many red owls are there? Where are red owls? Put your finger on red owls. Here. So count 1, 2. So what we will write? We will write number 2. Okay? So like this you have to count. Come on, count blue owls. 1, 2, 3, 4. So what you will write? Number